Believe it or not, there are several essential oils which, thanks to their properties, can help you to lose weight. They may not be miracle fat burners. However, using them regularly helps complement the effects of diet and exercise by increasing the metabolic rate. They contain powerful antioxidants, fatty acids and vitamins and minerals. When absorbed, they help fight excess weight and prevent illnesses. Among other things, they are also ideal for reducing inflammation of the tissues, and the accumulation of toxins and liquids that interfere in our plans to lose extra pounds. Bearing in mind that many people want to try them, we want to share the details of the 6 best options. 1. Ginger essential oil. Thanks to its active ingredient, gingerol, ginger essential oil is one of the best natural complements for promoting weight loss. This substance contains many vitamins and minerals. In addition, it also stimulates metabolic activity and contributes to improving digestive health. Among other things, it acts as a natural diuretic, reducing liquid retention and joint pain. How to use it? Add 5 to 10 drops of ginger essential oil to your meals and drinks. Optionally, add the same amount to a cup of hot water and drink it as an infusion. 2. Cinnamon essential oil. Cinnamon essential oil has become popular, thanks to its ability to regulate blood sugar levels in patients with diabetes. However, as well as this, over the last few years it has also been used as a support to fight excess weight and control cravings. Its antioxidants and fatty acids improve metabolic activity, and help to optimize the use of fats and carbohydrates as sources of energy. How to use it? Add 5 or 6 drops of cinnamon essential oil to your morning tea or coffee. If you like, add it to your bowl of oats or fruit smoothies. 3. Lemon essential oil. Consuming lemon essential oil in moderation is a simple habit that helps promote metabolic function. This is especially when it is ingested in the morning. Its significant antioxidant, fatty acid and amino acid content increases the energy levels of the body and strengthens the metabolism. Plus, it also helps to improve the digestion of foods and reduces the tendency to eat dishes loaded with calories. How to use it? Drink 3 to 5 drops of lemon essential oil in a glass of tepid water or a herbal tea. 4. Rosemary essential oil. The therapeutic properties of rosemary essential oil can be used to reduce the anxiety and stress. Naturally, these affect the metabolic activity of people who are overweight. We tend to ignore these issues. However, it's important to treat them so that they don't become an obstacle to losing weight. How to use it? Put several drops of rosemary essential oil on your wrist and rub it so that its aroma is released. If you prefer, add the oil to hot water and inhale the vapor for 5 minutes. Carry out this treatment each time you experience cravings. 5. Mint essential oil. In alternative medicine, mint essential oil stands out for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, which reduce stomach problems. In addition, it's an ingredient that increases energy in the body and the metabolic rhythm. Thus, it helps to lose weight more easily. It's great for suppressing your appetite when cravings arise. Plus, of course, it's a fantastic ally for reducing swelling and cramps. How to use it? Dilute 5 to 10 drops of mint essential oil in a glass of warm water, and drink it before your main meal. Alternatively, add it to your fruit smoothies or infusions. 6. Grapefruit essential oil. Grapefruit essential oil contains antioxidant substances and fatty acids, which help reduce the accumulation of fat in the abdominal area. Its active ingredients increase the metabolic rate and facilitate the use of fats as an energy source. How to use it? Dilute 2 or 3 drops of grapefruit essential oil in a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. Optionally, add the same quantity to your fruit smoothies. Avoid consuming grapefruit essential oil in excessive quantities. If you like the video, like it and share it to your friends. If you like more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.